In this video, I'll be showing you guys 5 insane NFT purchases, and also at the end, show you guys how to create your own digital artwork so you can make some additional money. Let's go. What's up everybody, this is your boy Jacques. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, on this channel we teach different wealth tips and strategies to increase your net worth. NFTs are hot right now. NFTs, which stand for non-fungible token or non-replaceable token in layman's terms, allows you to get a certification of ownership for the digital asset. Now let's jump into the list. Now my first insane NFT purchase goes to Snoop Dogg. Snoop Dogg has already made waves in the NFT space, launching his own branded collectibles. He also released an NFT collection called A Journey with the Dog, which has Snoop's memories from early years, NFT-inspired artwork, and an original track called NFT. He even has something called Snoop Dogecoins, which was available for an hour last year. Now Snoop Dogg, using his NFT collecting alias, Cosmo de Medici, Snoop purchased the animated Ethereum NFT, Some Asshole by Xcopy, for 1,300 Ethereum on a super rare marketplace. Now that's just shy of $3.9 million. Now I'd love to know in the comment section below, would you buy this piece of artwork for $3.9 million if you had the funds? Let me know in the comment section below. Now for the next one, it's not as expensive, but it definitely is insane. It's the fart symphony of the blockchain. Now I'm gonna try to hold my composure on this one. So a Brooklyn-based director, Alex Ramirez Malice, is making money off his farts. Now this 36-year-old has been recording the sounds of his flatulence and that of his friends since March of 2020. 1 year later, he actually made sounds into a 52-minute symphony. Now he's using these NFT farts for sale, and he's also selling a fart calendar in his master collection in the OpenSea marketplace. Individual farts are even selling at $85 a piece. I don't even know what to say about this one. This doesn't make any sense to me. So guys, just want to let you know, if you want to sell some farts, there are people that are openly buying it. So definitely check that out. I'm not even surprised at this. Just recently, I seen an article about a lady selling her farts in a jar. So I guess there's people out there that are buying these farts and love listening to them. Now let's clear up the air a little bit. Now my third insane NFT was sold by the CEO of Twitter, Jack Dorsey, which he sold his original first tweet back in 2006. Now the buyer of this tweet is the CEO of a Malaysian blockchain company, Bridge Oracle. And Mr. Dorsey signed his NFT with his signature and completed the minting, which was arguably the most expensive NFT tweet ever. And this sold for $2.9 million. I don't know about you guys, but I'm gonna go ahead and open up my Twitter account and start tweeting and hopefully make some money in the near future. And I know what you're thinking. Why are the NFTs selling for so much? Let me break it down for you. Now the NFTs are valuable because they verify the authenticity of a non-fungible asset. This makes these assets unique and one of a kind. NFTs make digital content irreplaceable, hence valuable. You can also make money off the NFT royalties, which gives you a percentage of the sales price each time your NFT creation is sold on a marketplace. NFT royalty payments are executed by smart contracts automatically. With most marketplaces, you can choose your royalty percentage. Normally 5 to 10% is considered a standard royalty amount. Now for my fourth insane NFT purchase, and which is labeled as the most expensive dunk ever, goes to LeBron James.
LeBron James, LeBron James, LeBron James, LeBron James.
Now the NBA has a site called NBA Top Shots, which immortalizes sports highlights in basketball in the form of NFTs. Now the most expensive highlight to date is the LeBron James Cosmic Dunk, where someone actually bought it for $208,000. The NBA even has shoe tokens available, and I can actually see this implemented in games like NBA 2K, where in My Career, you're always buying things for your character. You could possibly have a digital NFT in your apartment, or maybe possibly an NFT in your shoes. Again, it's just an example of where NFTs might be going. Now for my fifth and final insane NFT purchase, and which is also the highest selling NFT currently right now, goes to Mike Winkelmann. He is the creator of the NFT called Every Days, the First 5,000 Days. It's basically a digital work of art created by Mr. Winkelmann himself, which he's known professionally as Beeple. This work is a collage of 5,000 digital images created by Mr. Winkelmann himself, which became the most expensive piece of digital art for $69.3 million. With this being sold, it became the third most expensive work done by a living artist in an auction. Now, if you want to dive into this new era of digital arts and sales, go to my description box. It'll give you a link to the website OpenSea, which is a site that allows you to create and sell NFTs. And on this site, you can start creating your own digital masterpieces and sell them online to different buyers. There are a ton of different cool NFTs already in circulation, so I'd love to see what you create. And while you're on that site, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And make sure that notification bell is on, because I do have some more videos coming about that's going to teach you different wealth tips and strategies to increase your net worth. And as always, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.